Chapter 1, number 4, you are going to be simplifying by combining some like terms. Okay, here I'm going to use the strategy of color coding. All right, so I have the 9x. So all the x terms are going to go into this blue square box here. So 9x and 4x, okay, becomes 9, 10, 11, 12, 13x. Then everything else, this is the red square box, 3y and 2y. That goes together here, becomes 5y. Okay, so if we combine the like terms, the final answer is 13x plus 5y, which is the final answer. Okay, the color coding should help you identifying the like terms. All right, next, let's do this one. We have the x here. Anything else that is a variable of x? Nope. So we can just put x here. Next, we have the red square box, which is the number. Any other numbers here? Nope. So we can just put that there as well. Then we have the green, which is 3y. Oh, then we also have this minus y. That becomes 3y minus y becomes 2y. Then what is left here is the minus 7z. Minus 7z. Okay, we can rewrite it x plus 30 plus 2y minus 7z. Okay, that would be the final answer when you combine all the like terms. The like terms were just the y terms for B. Let's take a look at C here. So the x here are your two like terms here. We have 6x minus x. This gets you 5x. Then we have your negative 5y plus 3y. This becomes negative 2y. All right, together this gets you 5x minus 2y as the final answer once you simplify. So there you go. That is how we combine all the like terms.